All right, guys, how's it going? Welcome back. Now, I want you to forget everything you think you know about salads. Sad little side dishes, limp lettuce, a lonely slice of tomato. We're not about that life. Today, we're going on a proper culinary adventure around the globe. Exploring salads that are big, bold, absolutely bursting with flavor. These are the showstoppers, the main events. Dishes that get everyone at the table excited. Smoky vegetables, charred vegetables, creamy indulgent dressings, incredible crunchy textures. Salads with real character, real history, and a whole lot of love in every bite. Not just an afterthought, the heart and soul of a meal. Recipes passed down through generations, served at massive celebrations, perfected on buzzing street corners. A salad can be a complete, satisfying meal that leaves you feeling fantastic. Beautiful, fresh ingredients. Layers of texture and flavor that sing. Grab your sharpest knife. Grab your biggest bowl. Chop, toss, grill, dress. Iconic salad techniques. Turn simple ingredients into something spectacular. Vibrant, joyful, incredibly healthy. Let's get stuck in. Duck. First stop, Egypt, and a real gem, Salata Baladi, the salad of the country. Rustic, honest, unbelievably fresh. The everyday salad that wakes up rich grills and hearty stews. The magic is simplicity and a very fine chop. Finely diced so every spoonful brings tomato sweetness, cucumber coolness, onion punch, parsley lift. A squeeze of lemon, a good glug of olive oil, season with salt, maybe a pinch of cumin. Let it sit. Tomato juices create a natural, flavorful dressing in the bowl. Vibrant, healthy, a taste of the real Egypt. Next, Tunisia. Salade Mechouia, literally grilled salad. Char until blackened. Fire intensifies sweetness and adds deep smokiness. Peel, then chop by hand to a coarse textured mix. Juices become the base dressing. Season generously. Finish with high-quality olive oil and caraway or coriander. Top with tuna, egg, olives, capers for saltiness and richness. Rustic and powerful. Scoop with bread. A bold, comforting taste of Tunisia. Now Nigeria, a proper celebration platter. Lower third, Nigerian salad, Nigeria, cabbage, lettuce, eggs, beans, potatoes, pasta, crunchy base with vibrant veg, then substance, potatoes, pasta, beans. Cook your starches, boil eggs, shred and slice your vegetables. It's all in the prep. Toss together or arrange in neat, colorful sections. A showstopper either way. Finish with a rich, tangy, creamy dressing, indulgent and generous. Hearty, substantial, and unapologetically delicious. Believe it, the iconic Caesar salad was born in Tijuana. Italian-American restaurateur Cesar Cardini. A busy holiday, a flash of genius. Massive flavor from humble ingredients. The creamy emulsion is the soul. Anchovy melts for deep, savory notes. Coat every leaf. Simple, elegant, time-tested, just perfect. The Cobb, a Hollywood star from the Brown Derby. Organized deliciousness. Build colorful lines. Chicken, bacon, eggs, avocado, tomato, blue cheese. Dress at the table to keep those rows pristine. A complete, satisfying main. From the Waldorf Astoria, 1890s, elegant, crisp, vintage. Balance crunch and sweetness. Gently coat, don't drown. Simple, sophisticated crunch. Ensalada de Nopales, cactus paddle salad with a citrusy snap. Tender, unique texture, like green beans with a tang. Bright acidity cuts, herbs lift, add chili for heat. Pockets of creamy, salty goodness. Fresh, healthy, exciting. Gado-Gado, mix, a hearty platter with a legendary peanut sauce. Crisp tender veg, starchy comfort, protein-packed tofu, and tempeh. Sweet, salty, spicy, sour, thick, and luscious. A textural dream, scoop a bit of everything. Larb, the rock and roll of salads, spicy, zesty, aromatic. Sour, spicy, savory, fresh, a symphony of flavors. Nutty aroma, lightly thickens the dressing. Light yet substantial, quick, healthy, and punchy. Sunomono, elegance in restraint. Crunch preserved so it soaks dressing without watering out. Sweet, sour, salty, pure, and clean. A palate-cleansing, calming bowl of perfection. Horiatiki, the real Greek salad. No lettuce, no fancy dressing. Big chunks, a proud slab of feta on top. Drizzle great olive oil, crushed oregano. Sunshine in a bowl. Panzanella, Tuscany's ingenious bread salad. Bread becomes a chewy, flavor-packed sponge. Rustic, messy, irresistible. Salade Niçoise, a composed painting on a plate. Good tuna in olive oil, soft yolk eggs, crisp beans, firm potatoes. Let superb ingredients shine. Shopska, colors of the Bulgarian flag in a bowl. Keep it chunky, honest, and bright. Creamy, lightly salty blanket, unique and delicious. Solterito, a chunky Andean jewel. Chewy corn, tender beans, herb brightness, gentle heat. Mosaic of color, sunshine in a bowl. Ensalada Chilena, genius simplicity for the asado. Layer with cilantro. Dress with oil and vinegar, salt. Rest to macerate. Juices become the perfect plate dressing. Vinagrete, Brazil's zesty barbecue sidekick. Consistency is key, so every spoonful pops. Let flavors meld, spoon generously over grilled meats. Fresh, zesty, vibrant. Fattoush, the ultimate crunchy salad. Sumac's citrusy tang is the secret weapon. Stays crunchy, but soaks flavor. Pure genius. A party in a bowl. Tabbouleh, a herb garden in a bowl. Herbs are the star. Bulgur adds gentle body. Clean, bright, bursting with life. Feel-good freshness. Shirazi, the Persian jewel of cooling precision. Crafted, not just chopped, every cube a perfect burst. Dressed just before serving to keep it crisp. Crunchy, zesty, cooling perfection. Whew, what a journey. 20 epic salads from every corner of the globe. From smoky Tunisian Mechouia to herby Tabbouleh and zesty Shirazi. A hearty Nigerian feast to a delicate Japanese palate cleanser. Bread-soaked summer in Tuscany to sumac-sparked crunch. It's flavor, texture, culture, and pure joy. Which one would you try first? Subscribe for more global food and wellness content. From smoky Tunisian Mechouia to crunchy Levantine Fattoush, these salads prove healthy food can be exciting, global, unforgettable. Keep it fresh, keep it tasty. See you next time.